Welcome back to another explainer. Today, we are taking a really fascinating look at the absolute building blocks of the English language. Whether you're helping a young one learn to read, or you just kind of want to understand the nuts and bolts of how language acquisition is taught, you are definitely in the right place. We're going to break down this fantastic source material from Mrs. Maria Habib. She delivers this beautifully structured foundational phonics lesson from the Nova English Academy. It's called Jolly Phonics Group 2, and guys, it is quite literally the gateway to reading.
Okay, let's dive into this. Right off the bat, our instructor, Mrs. Maria Habib, establishes this incredibly welcoming, yet highly structured environment. You know, this isn't just about staring at words on a page. It's about forming sounds, training the ear, and really building that confidence. Our primary goal for this explainer is to map out her exact methodology so we can master these 7 crucial sounds of Group 2. She's stepping up as our enthusiastic guide here, creating this awesome, safe space to make sounds, make mistakes, and ultimately make real progress.
So Mrs. Maria doesn't just lecture at you, she demands your participation. Are you ready? Let's start. And to really grasp how effective this is, I'm inviting you to lean in and actively participate with us. Seriously, follow her lead and vocalize these sounds out loud. Are you ready?
All right, moving into Section 1, sounds C, K, and E. Let's tackle this first block of letters on our path to reading. Now notice the brilliant simplicity of her method here. Step 1, look at the letter. Step 2, listen to the sound. Step 3, say the word. It's this repetitive 3-step rhythm that locks in every single letter. It engages the eyes, the ears, and the voice. It's practically a full-brain approach to literacy, and we're starting right now with our very first letter.
So, here is the letter C. Now, as the source emphasizes, we're talking about a hard C sound here, not the word see. Listen closely. K, k, k. Now you try it. Go ahead, say it out loud so you can actually feel the mechanics of the sound in your mouth. Awesome. Now let's connect it. Cat starts with that sound. Let's say it together. K, 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 cat. Fantastic job. You've just completed the 3-step loop.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the visual comparison we're seeing between the letter C and the letter K. I mean, they look completely different, right? One is curved and open, and the other is tall and angular. Yet in phonics, Mrs. Maria teaches us that they produce the exact same phonetic output. It's a vital concept in English, that completely different symbols can give us the exact same sound.
So, let's move to K. Following that rule we just learned, the sound is completely identical. K, k, k. I want you to confidently try producing that sound right now. Perfect. Notice how we immediately apply it to a word. Kite starts with that k sound. Let's bring it all together. K, 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 kite. You are literally building the mental bridge between an abstract symbol and a concrete word.
All right, we move now to our first vowel of the group, the letter E. Vowels are kind of like the glue that holds consonants together. The sound here is short and very crisp. Eh, eh, eh. Try sounding it out with me. Eh. Yes. And then we land triumphantly on our target word, eh, 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 egg. Just like that, you've completely mastered the first section.
Moving right along to Section 2, sounds H, R, and M. Let's seamlessly jump into this next exciting grouping of consonants.
Here we have H. Now this one requires a gentle push of air from your chest, making a really breathy sound. Ha, ha, ha. Try it out. Honestly, feel the air on your hand if you need to. Great. Now we connect it perfectly to our visual. Ha, 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 hat. Notice how Mrs. Maria consistently reinforces this look, listen, say methodology.
Next up is R. Listen carefully to this strong vibration. Roar, roar, roar. Once you've got that sound in your head, say it out loud for me. Nice. Now we tie it memorably to an animal. Roar, 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 rabbit. You are successfully wiring these connections right into your memory.
And this brilliantly illustrates the power of continuous engagement. Take a look at Press your lips together to make a humming sound. Go ahead, wait till you feel that vibration. Got it? Let's connect it. Monkey. Great job. By tying these abstract sounds to tangible words like monkey and rabbit, your retention rate just absolutely skyrockets. All right, here we go. Section 3, the final sound, which is D. We are approaching the final foundational letter of this specific gateway. So,
I have a challenge for you before I actually model this one. Can you ready your voice and produce this final sound yourself? Think about the letter D. What does it sound like? Let's see if you hit the nail on the head. The sound is a sharp, percussive D, D, D. Say it with me. Awesome! Now let's finalize these individual letter lessons with our last word, D, 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 dog. You've done the heavy lifting, my friend. You've looked, you've listened, and you've spoken.
Section 4, Group 2 Sound Review. So, the crucial point is that it's time to consolidate and review everything we've just practiced together.
This is Mrs. Maria's ultimate test. Are you ready to say all the sounds together? Take a deep breath. We're going to go rapid fire through the whole list. Just the pure sounds we've spent this explainer mastering. You ready for the challenge?
Here we go. Follow along with me. C, K, I, H, R, M, D. Amazing work. Now let's do it one more time, even faster. C, K, I, H, R, M, D. Your dedication here is fantastic. By successfully navigating this sequence, we see exactly what it takes to build really strong reading fundamentals.
We wrap things up with Mrs. Maria's parting imperative, which is practice your sounds every day because, consistency is really the key to literacy. The source material graciously provides the contact for Nova English Academy at 010-9648-8797 if you want to explore their programs further. You've just walked through the exact gateway used to build real reading comprehension. With these foundational blocks of C, K, E, H, R, M, and D fully decoded, what new words will you conquer tomorrow? Keep practicing, keep vocalizing, and I'll see you in the next explainer.